Morning guys, welcome to this episode of City Ripple Renovation. In today's episode I want to talk about wallpaper removal. That's the first task that I came in to do on this new house, and it doesn't matter how you sugarcoat it, wallpaper removal is a pain in the ass. It's not fun, it is tedious, and you in some ways just have to live with that. But there are ways of making it easier, and I think the place to start is with the principle behind taking off any wallpaper. Wallpapers are normally stuck to the wall with a PVA based glue, which is that white kind of wood glue, and that is water soluble, which means that what you need to do is, in any way, shape or form, try to get behind the wallpaper. You are not attacking the paper itself. What you're attacking the glue that keeps it to the wall. It sounds, when you say it, it sounds very obvious, but I don't think everybody think of it in that way. Now, the tools that I use, there are about 6 tools I want to take you through, made it very easy. I stripped the one wall last night, and it is about as easy as you're going to get it. And it's a combination of these things. The first one is, it's quite an odd looking tool. It is called a paper tiger. It's made by a company called Zinsser, and what you can see, it has these little wheels all around that is quite sharp, and you just roll it across the wallpaper, and that perforates it, which means that the liquid that you're trying to get behind it is getting in much easier. Then, secondly, very important, is I'm using this chemical called DIF. It's also by the same company, and it really makes a big difference to how quickly it comes off. It just has some kind of enzyme inside that breaks down the PVA quicker than only water would. And to get it on as easily as possible, I just use a garden sprayer. Now you can obviously slosh it on with a sponge and a bucket, but it's more efficient to spray it on. So instead of trying to put a lot on, you put on a little, take off the paper, and you repeat it, rather than try to put big amounts of liquid on in the first go. Then, don't have to say much about it, just a set of scrapers, different sizes, so you can get into the nooks and crannies. And then, very important, is get yourself one of these. It's a steamer. It takes about 15 minutes to heat up, and you will see in some of the footage I'll put on, it makes the world of difference in getting the paper off. And lastly, especially if you're not going to do it all the time and you don't have the luxury of space, a telescopic ladder like this, it kind of just folds up into a small holder, and you can tuck it away in quite a small space. Another thing is, just in general, try to keep the space as clean as possible whilst you're working. Any additional tools, keep it out of the way. What I do, I just have little kind of plastic containers where I keep tools in so I can move things around, because it gets messy very quickly and it just kind of eats into your enthusiasm if you walk into a space and it's not tidy. Another thing is, I use rubble bags. Don't use domestic black bags because they tear too easily. And again, it's just one more thing that annoys you on an already annoying job to do, like wallpaper removal. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, send on to your friends if you think they'll be interested. Until next time, goodbye.